This is Eric Stewart. We're at FABTECH 2011. I'm demoing STT on pipe, carbon steel. I'm using the S350 with the STT module, welding 045, L56, 75 argon, 25 CO2. I'm using the Power Feed 25M feeder, also with the new Magnum Pro Curve gun, 200 amp gun. And what I'm going to be demonstrating is open root pipe. Okay, my typical gap is going to be an 1/8 inch gap with a 1/16 land. Then I'm going to do some flux core with the PowerWave S500 25M, showing the Magnum 300 with the new curve end. Okay, the consumable I'm using there is 81M 045, again with 75 argon, 25 CO2. Okay, so I'm going to use about a 10 to 15 degree drag angle, and I'm going to keep it right in the middle, progressing downhill. I want to keep the wire right on the leading edge of the puddle, keeping it centered in the joint. So now we're going to switch over to the S500 and we're going to show the new Pipeliner 81M vertical up. This is the first pass, very slight weave. That completes our demo on pipe welding. Not only is the S350 and the S500 good for pipe applications, it's also used on construction sites for pulse welding on carbon, stainless. It's good for silicon bronze applications, and that concludes our demo. If you guys cannot make it down here to the show, visit us at www.lincolnelectric.com.